I'd like to thank, of course, our distinguished Undersecretary Perry Rodolfo, and of course, our dearest OIC of SciTech, Ms. Gabumiliran. As we officially end a successful day one of IFEX today, we wanted to show our appreciation to our DTI partners who really dished out their best to make this Salo-Salo happen. Opening day turnout is just what we have hoped for, and then with many business launching sessions witnessed and customer engagements all around, we have heightened optimism for the next 2 days. We hope to see you for the next day 2 and day 3 as we have more experiential and worthwhile activities prepared for everyone, such as seminars, culinary segments, and the like. All this complement the diverse offerings that make up our entire trade fair. IFEX Philippines 2024, particularly its solid showing of many excellent and innovative products from various corners of the country, would not have been materialized without the remarkable performance of the trade promotion officers of DTI, ROG, and their respective offices and localities. The lead up to this moment has been challenging and worth it, just as our efforts to show appreciation for our so-called boots on the ground, our TPOs working non-stop across the country's regions. Can we have a round of applause for everyone? We are grateful to you for lending us your valuable time or coordinating and connecting with our exhibitors and stakeholders in the regions to make IFEX Philippines a remarkable Salo-Salo. Together with a special recognition of our IFEX trade partners and the awarding of the Best Booth in the Katha Awards for Food, we would like to make this intimate gathering dedicated to you, our partners. It is just one of the ways for us to capture this special moment of gratitude and success. In fact, I'm happy to announce that for the first time, we will be recognizing our TPOs who have brought their A game to bring into the fold as many MSMEs as they possibly could successfully to participate in IFEX Philippines. So the regions that are present here tonight, you have made impressive strides to further enhance productivity goals. You also have this growing and incorporate provincial food exhibitor communities into a more mainstream and global collective force in trade export. Your coordination capabilities have definitely been noticed with this program now in place. So we will have few rewards coming your way and to benefit of your next IFEX contingent. There are 4 tiers from Tier 1 to Tier 4 to this program's awarding. Namely, we have the Tier 1